Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. My name is Alan, and today I'm going to be showing you through our new 2024 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. This boat is here in our showroom. It is available. Go over some of the options, and then we'll go through the inside. It's on a galvanized trailer with a swing-away tongue with a spare. We did put the walk-through bow rail on this boat. It is a white hull with a white rub rail with a stainless steel inside, chrome graphics to match. We brought the metal in white with the Weblon in black. Offsets this boat perfectly. This is a beautiful 190 Montauk. We also upgraded to the 150 horsepower Mercury. We will get inside and we will take a look through. As we get inside our 19, you can see the boat has aft seats, the 150, some cup holders. This boat has a flip seat with the Livewell under it. At the helm, JL audio stereo, SIMRAD GPS fish finder, SIMRAD VHF, some more cup holders, rod holders across the back. Boat does have the cushions forward, the core, which is the fishing package. Boat is in stock in our showroom. Very nice boat. Please call us or email us with any questions. Thank you.